Hello friends, welcome to Family Tech. I really want to talk about VPNs today. I get this question a lot from friends, family, followers, everybody. Tell me if this conversation sounds familiar to you. If it does, this video is for you. Hello friends, I'm Sarah Kimmel, your friendly neighborhood tech expert. I've been an IT manager for over 19 years, supporting hundreds of small to medium-sized businesses. I'm also a mom to a tween and teen with over 50 connected devices in my home. I break down the tech talk to help you understand and manage the technology in your home. You can find me helping families with tech problems on TV news, podcasts, Instagram, Facebook, and my website, FamilyTechZone.com. So your kid comes in and says they want to install this app. The app that they want to install, they claim will make the internet or their phone work better, faster when they are at school. So you hear that and you could think, oh, if it's going to make your phone work better at school, sure, that sounds great. The problem is this is a VPN app. So they want to install a VPN app in order to make things work better. The reason it works better, I'll get to in a little bit. So what is a VPN? A VPN stands for a virtual private network. It was originally created so that people could work from home, basically. So your office would have different software programs that you would use for your job, but the software lived on a server at your office. So it's really hard to work on that software when you are at home. So a VPN is created so that it virtually takes your computer and it puts it on your office network. And so now that the computer's on that network, it can access all of the network resources that are at the office. So that's what a VPN was originally created for. These days, many people use VPNs because, they don't really need it for their office anymore because most of applications are cloud-based. They can access them from anywhere, or they have a virtual desktop that they can log into, again, access from anywhere. So a VPN these days is used for privacy. So if I don't want my internet service provider snooping on what I'm doing, I will use a VPN application to kind of privatize my network traffic. So for adults, this is fine. You can use a VPN app. It's great. It helps give you a little bit more privacy. But for kids, it's a different story. So what a VPN app will actually do is take their device and put it on an unprotected network. So you put all of these protections in place on your Wi-Fi or on your network. The schools put their protections in place on their network. And when the child installs a VPN, it essentially takes their device and puts it on a different network that does not have those protections installed. So this is why kids want them, because it's going to take their device and remove all of those restrictions that you've already put on their device through, your Wi-Fi or through any other means that is subject to your specific network. So there's a few ways you can prevent it. First, don't let them install any VPN apps on their computer, on their phone, or anything like that. So a really good way to make sure these kind of applications don't get installed, you can put protections in place on your children's devices that will make it so they can't install applications without your say-so. So for iPhones, you've got screen time. It's included in the Apple ecosystem. You have to make sure your child's device is set up to have that screen time control. I will have another video about that. For Android devices, you can do that through Google Family Link. Again, they won't be able to install any applications unless it'll send you an approval notice. You can approve that application, and then they can install it. So this way, you're not getting any VPN apps installed without your say-so. And then if you want an additional level of protection, which I recommend, you can have another parental control app that will make sure they don't use any apps that have already been installed without your express approval. So this helps with any side-loaded apps. So for Android devices, you can side-load an application and it will kind of bypass that Google Family link. So make sure you've got an additional protection in place so they're not installing any apps without your knowledge. So make sure that any VPN apps, if it has VPN in the title, do not let them get it installed. On Windows, it's a little bit different. So they do have VPN applications for Windows. They also have VPN extensions for Google Chrome. And so this is actually going to just take their browsing session and put it on a VPN. Again, it will not be subject to any of the controls you've put in place in your network. So, make sure you're looking for anything that says VPN in their Chrome extensions. You're looking for anything that says VPN in applications that they are using and apps on their devices. So, those are the main ways to help prevent these from getting installed on your kids' devices. Don't let your kids use a VPN. Great for parents, not so much for kids. If you have any tech questions at all, please let me know. Send me a message. I'm open on Instagram @FamilyTech everywhere. So Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, FamilyTech is the username. So go ahead and hit me up on the DMs. Or you can put in a comment right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Hit the notification bell so you can know anytime these videos are released. I'm going to release a whole lot more videos about breaking down the technology to help you manage and understand that technology in your home. So until next time, thanks.